Yoga for inner exploration, Shambhavi Mudra. In the history of humanity, many truly scintillating human beings have happened. They have shone brighter than the stars in the sky. But why is it that one seems to have come with enormous capability, and why is it another has to struggle with every little aspect of life? If you consider yourself to be a mechanism, you have a body and a mind. You may have a great body and a great mind, but what you call as grace is the lubrication. Without the necessary lubrication, you get stuck at every point. Any number of people like this are there on this planet, intelligent, capable, but at every corner in their life, they get stuck because there is no lubrication. So it is important for a human being to have an element of grace in their lives. Shambhavi Mudra is a process that is like opening a window so that one becomes receptive to grace.
Here are a few guidelines that will set optimal conditions and greatly enhance your receptivity of the practices. Please ensure cell phones are either in silent mode or switched off. It is advisable not to sit for the program with a full stomach or immediately after a meal. Please sit with your spine comfortably erect, hands uncrossed, and palms open. These conditions will prepare you to be in a heightened state of receptivity and derive the most benefits from the practices. These practices are very safe and simple and can be done by anybody. Make sure to do everything slowly and gently and according to the instructions. If you're feeling any pain or discomfort, stop and consult a doctor. The practices we will be learning here can be done by anyone ages 7 years and above. If you wear glasses while doing the yoga practices, please remove them and keep them aside.
Sit comfortably in a cross-legged posture. Keep your spine comfortably erect. We will hold Yoga Mudra. Make the thumb and the index finger come together at the very tips, forming a circle between them. Let the other 3 fingers be straight, all the 4 fingers together without any gap between them. Holding the mudra facing upwards upon your thigh, arms and shoulders should be loose and relaxed. Close your eyes and sit with a slightly upturned face. When you sit with your face slightly upturned, there is a natural focus between your eyebrows. Maintain this natural focus, do not concentrate, just maintain this natural focus between your eyebrows and sit with your face slightly upturned, eyes closed. Maintain this gentle and casual focus between the eyebrows and be conscious of the natural moment of breath. Continue to sit like this for 3 to 6 minutes.
Yogarto va, bogarato va, sangarato va, sangavina. Yasya brahmani ramate chittam, yasya brahmani ramate chittam, nandati nandati nandate va, nandati nandati nandate va.
Take your own time. Take your own time. Slowly, very slowly, open your eyes. Mysticism does not come from the east, it comes from within. Before you attempt anything that is considered as a mystical process, it's very important to stabilize the 5 fundamental elements within us.